Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2013 Kawasaki VULCAN 900 Classic with only 5,103 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a motor TRIKE kit, horn, windshield, aftermarket seat, exhaust, and a rear bumper. The Vulcan's timeless styling and reliability have kept it on the road and popular for 3 decades. Powered by a 903cc V-twin engine, the Vulcan puts 48 horsepower and 56 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 619 pounds and has a 26.8-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.